Hi, I'm Kathy LeSOLD.
I'm Jim LeSOLD.
Hi, I'm Sean Chapinski.
And I'm Stephanie Armstrong.
We're the LeSOLD team, and we wanted to take a minute to introduce ourselves and explain what we can do for you during your home buying or selling process.
The COVID-19 virus has created some very challenging times for us. But we want you to know we're doing all we can to keep you safe and healthy while still assisting you with all your real estate needs.
We are providing 3D virtual tours on all of our listings. Just go to our website, kathylesor.howardhanna.com, and click on the virtual tour. Virtually tour as if you are walking through the property from the comfort of your own home.
We are also conducting live virtual open houses on many of our listings. Watch live, ask questions, need us to go back, zoom in, show that fireplace again? No problem.
If you're a buyer, we can set you up with a lender to get you pre-approved. Create a personal listing search on our portal with immediate updates. Provide access to exclusive listings. Live stream virtual showings. Provide e-signature options. And follow through virtually through closing.
And as a top listing agent in the Heights, I can help you get ready to sell. I would be happy to have a FaceTime price consultation or in person, discuss comps in your neighborhood, and give guidance of what you need to do to prepare to sell. I will be there every step of the way, ensuring a fair market price in the least amount of time from that initial meeting to LeSOLD.
We are excited to help you through this process.
Whether buying or selling, near or far.
The LeSOLD team is here for you.
And we hope to hear from you soon.